Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching. Today I'm showing you my foundation routine for mature skin. Now I have a few issues that I have to deal with, obviously fine lines and wrinkles. I have an oily T-zone, so through my forehead, down my nose, a little bit onto my cheeks here, and my chin will typically get oily throughout the day. I have texture on my cheeks. I've got a few products that I use ritually now. It took me a long time to find, so if you'd like to see what they are, just keep watching. Okay, so the very first thing I'll do before I put any makeup on is make sure I put an eye cream on. I'm using the Bobbi Brown Extra Repair cream today. This is absolutely a beautiful cream. I've been through quite a few eye creams. Now this is a little bit thicker, but it just sinks in so beautifully. I'm just going to pop my hair out of the way. Now a few swipes up into those areas where you've got a few lines there as well, if you've got lines. And then let that sink in. So then if I'm putting a full makeup on, I'll usually use the MAC Timecheck Lotion. Now this is really good for people with some pores or texture because it is thicker and it does actually sink into those pores. Like, it's not like a primer, but it just helps. So I'll pop that all over. Oh, this is gorgeous. Now, as I did say, I have an oily T-zone, dry sort of cheeks out here. It doesn't affect the oiliness of my skin at all. And it just feels so silky going on. It feels like a primer, but it's not. So I'll let that sink in for 10 minutes and I'll come back. So I'll be putting some lippy on later on, so I'm just going to put some balm on my lips. This is just the Maybelline Baby Lips. Okay, now my best product I've ever used in my entire life for oil control is the Murad Oil Control Mattifier. It does have an SPF of 15. Now I've used so many products to try and get rid of an oily T-zone, and this is the best product I've ever used. So I'll pop a little bit on my cheeks, a little bit on my chin, forehead, down my nose and on my chin. And just pat that in. Now I have no problems with oil control now that I started using this. And you pretty much stay oil free all day. Fantastic. Now the other problem I have is texture. So I do have a little bit of sun damage, some veins that have just opened up throughout my cheek area. So the best product I've found now so far is the Tarte. Now this is the Clean Slate Timeless Smoothing Primer. And you're basically just pushing that into the pores. And as you do, you can just feel that absolute smoothness coming across. Like, it just feels so smooth. Compared to the other side there, I can feel already the difference. So it's pushing it in basically. A bit more on my forehead. I try and push it into those 11 wrinkles that I have there, and it does help. Obviously it's not going to get rid of them completely, but you can see it hopefully on camera already, a little bit of a difference. Like, that's really smoothed that out. Now obviously I've already done my eyebrows. I will be doing a tutorial on eyebrows for mature ladies. So that's made a world of difference with those wrinkles there. And then I'll just pop a little bit into those lines down the sides of my mouth. That stuff is amazing. Now for foundation, when I really want my foundation to last the whole day, not settle into the fine lines, especially around my mouth here, up into this section here and around my eyes, I've found the Zelens Age Control to be the best. Now it is a medium coverage foundation. You can build it up to full coverage, and it's just a more of a natural finish. So you're not getting shine and you're not getting that real matte look to your face where it just dries everything up. So I'm using it on a Bdellium Tools 957 foundation brush. Now I try to stipple that on first up, and then I'll go into more of a buffing motion to try and get rid of any excess. Now I'm not going right up underneath my eyes. I just find too many products up there just contribute to sinking into those fine lines underneath your eyes there. I'm only just pumping little tiny pumps as I go, so I'm not using too much product at all. So that's evened out my skin tone, giving me quite good coverage. I wouldn't say it's full coverage, but like I said, if you go in and you can build this up. The next product I go in ordinarily underneath my eyes is my Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector. It's that salmony pink colour, which helps alleviate some of the darkness under your eyes. So I'll just go in and pop a little bit of that underneath. Now I'll go back in with my foundation brush and just blend across that so you're not seeing a demarcation line. Now another product that I'll go in with next is for this little mark here. So that's a little vein. So a lot of the concealer products that I've used will cover it, and then when you go to blend, it'll just blend straight out. So what I'm using now is the Pixi Crayon stick, Undercover Crayon in Perk Up Peach. It's a perfect colour for my skin. They do have different colours. As you can see, that disappearing straight away. And I'll go back in with my beauty blender and just blend around the very edges of that, so you're not taking the product actually off the blemish. Okay, so I do like to pop a little bit of highlight on the usual areas, so on the forehead, down the nose, and a little bit on my chin and my cupid's bow there. I'm not using concealer, this is actually a highlight product. So this is MAC Prep and Prime in Radiant Rose. It's a twist down product, so it's a very light pink, which is perfect for my skin tone. So I'll go in just above my creases or wrinkles there, down my nose, and make sure you go straight into the cupid's bow area and just a tiny bit on my chin. So I'll just dampen my beauty blender with a little bit of Urban Decay setting spray, and then just tap into that and just blend that slightly into your forehead. Blend down your nose. Now I do like a little bit of additional lightness around my nose area, and then around my lips I do as well. So I'm using my Pixi by Petra Crayon Combo, and this is in Wide Awake. So the matte I'll just put around those darkened areas around my nose, and I'll just go around my lips there with it. And then just blend that in with your beauty blender. Okay, so tiny bit of powder. I'm using my sample by Terry Hyaluronic on a two-faced powder brush. Just a tiny little bit of product there into those areas that I just put the highlight. Tiny little bit into the cheek area, and that's it for powder. So I hope you enjoyed my mature skin foundation routine. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Click on the notifications bell so you'll be notified when I do upload another video if you'd like to see more from me. Keep being the best version of you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.